A person what? What? Oh, Kamari. What is an entrepreneur?
A person that works for themselves, and they're either rich or wealthy, and they love other people like God willing, and everyone loves them back. Those.
So it's four exercises. They all standing up jumping. It's basically like doing a jumping jack over and over and over again, but it's working out your calf muscle. So it's gonna be just like this. You gotta do it in cadence still. So you like the motivator, and then it starts like this. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's one.
Oh,
that's one rep.
Damn, that's one. That was easier than the other ones, but it give you a good.
Workout. And it'd be 15 of us. Yeah, it'd be sounding thunderous and shit. You know, everybody 1, 2. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
So it could be hyped though.
Yo, my brother just worked me out. Tired as hell. Yo, it's round 2, baby. I ain't getting no cars yesterday, so I'm right back at it today, man. Let's get it. So with this raggedy motherfucker.
Smokey independent.
You say what?
Smokey independent.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, you feel that smoking?
Almost. Back at it again, baby. Bucket City. Was it Bucket City?
No, we're urban, man. We don't fuck with them niggas at Bucket City.
Yeah, nah. Hey, man, shit. You see what this Suburban do? Same color as that damn Tahoe I just got rid of, but hey, if I sold the Tahoe, I can definitely sell this bad boy too. You know what I'm saying? Let me look at it. I don't see no rust on. Well, you know, I don't see no too much rust on it. Let me see. Got a little rust right there, but that ain't nothing I can't handle. You know what I'm saying? That ain't nothing I can't handle. Let me see. Got some more little rust right there, but that's also nothing I can't handle. You know? I can handle it, baby. 159,000 miles. Let's see how it started up. It's kind of supposed to have a third row seat, but they must have took it out. Not really sure. Let me see. See this bad boy start up. Oh yeah, baby, fire right up. Check engine light. I'm gonna have to put an OB2 reader on it and see. We shall see. We shall see. Shit, this is the engine, and it's still got another Vortec engine, so that's exactly what the Tahoe had in it. So sounds pretty good. Don't sound too bad. So I'm gonna go ahead and take it for a test drive, baby. Let's get it. Yeah, this is my first time at this auction, so things are a little bit different up here, but I'll figure this shit out. I will figure it out. Trust me, baby. Okay, that's where I gotta go. Oh, I like that 300 with the rims on it already. Come with the rims on it. Oh, I see what he's saying. I see what he's saying. Oh, this boy do ride pretty good, though. Yeah, baby. About to check out this 300 right here. Hopefully it'll start up. Usually when the hood is open, that means that, now hold on, I think this hood just might be damaged, actually. Why is it looking like this? Like, y'all see how it's like, there's a little gap right there? Yeah, I still want to check it out. I got to come with little rims on it. Somebody want to buy it with their tax money. You know what I'm saying? It's tax season, baby. Let's get it. I'm gonna go ahead and, oh man, yeah. I don't know, man. Y'all see that? Hood bogus as hell. Let's at least see how. It only got 54,000 miles on it. Let's just see how it started up. I can get my buddy Brandon to knock that out. It's clean as hell on the inside though. I like these two-tone seats. That's pretty nice. See how this bitch started up. Okay. Oh man, look at all that. Damn, what they have? Somebody stole the radio? The fuck? Damn! No, somebody stole the radio on this bitch. I'm at 54,000 miles. I don't care, but I'm still not. Well, I guess I can buy a damn radio. That ain't too much. What the fuck is all this, man? Dang. That's bogus. Let me see the radio work at least. The radio work? It works, but no, I'm good on this one. I'm good. So I'm in this Trailblazer, man. This Trailblazer ride good as fuck. About to take it down the lane real quick and see what it do, baby. What it do. Man, this car don't ride too bad, yo. I just test drove another. It's a Trailblazer. Just test drove another one, and it actually got more miles than this one, but it drives better. So, I mean, I'll take both of these bad boys if I can. Shit, I get both of them, man. I'll take them both, baby. Let's go. Motivation got one of the cars stuck over there. That motherfucker is in a bad position, baby. Oh, they're going, no, that's an Envoy. I thought that was another Trailblazer. I was gonna be like, yo, let me test drive that one too, man. Shit, why just stop at 2? Let's keep it going. Let's keep it going, baby. Go ahead and just park this damn thing. Y'all always in the way, man. Y'all like, we ain't got time for that. You already showed up late. And I'm never late, but hey, that's a long ass drive for me, baby. It's a long drive. Damn, man. It's about you only got 15 minutes left to test drive cars. I should have got here a little bit earlier, but I think I'm gonna be all right today. I got a few cars on my list, so I think I'm gonna be good, pretty good. This little bad boy right here drives pretty nice though. It's a ZR2 something. I've never even seen one of these damn cars before, but it rides pretty good, and I think some female might like this. Some nice little lady, little short lady or something might like this, you know? So, yeah, here it is right here. It's a ZR2 tracker, and rides pretty good, man. Rides pretty good, you know? So, we shall see, baby. We shall see. I'm about to open the hood. See what that do. Yeah, it doesn't sound too bad. I'm gonna smell anything, you know, because I hate that. There's one car I had. Oh man, I didn't realize after I bought it, but yo, it had an oil leak, and I was so mad. Like, it took me a while to sell that car, but you know, I finally got rid of it. But whatever. That's what it's all about. On to the next one. On to the next one. They got some buckets out here though. This is not like the other auction I go to. The other auction, man, they got everything. Jaguars, Benzes. They got whatever you want. This is more of a low end type of car auction. So, but hey, it's tax season, baby. We got to get this tax money. I couldn't get none yesterday, so back at it again today. It's all about the hustle, baby. All about the hustle. Yeah, I'm about to get out of here now. Auction is over. I mean, test driving is over, not the auction, but the auction actually about to start. The test driving is over, so now we got to go inside and bid, and I'll let you guys know if I get anything. All right, peace out. So this is what I end up getting today. 2004 Suburban, baby, Chevy Suburban, and 159,000 miles. Got it for a very good price. Now they are able to counter me again like they did with that great car, but I like it. price that I got it for, you know what I'm saying? So got a little rust on it, but I'm gonna knock that out real quick. Other than that, shit, I think it's a good buy, you know? So third row seating. Might not look like much to y'all, but when you're starting out, yo, this is a gem, baby. Diamond in the rough. So hopefully they don't counter me and try to get too much money for it, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, we're gonna get it, baby. Let's get it. Shit, this is the engine, and it's still got another Vortec engine, so that's exactly what the Tahoe had in it. So sounds pretty good, don't sound too bad. So I'm gonna go ahead and take it for a test drive, baby. Let's get it. Yo, yeah. Got a couple more cars to look at. Just got back from the auction. But like I said, baby, the work never ever stops. I got one good car at the auction today, but now I gotta go pick up a couple more. Had to get back home for this little guy right here. You know, everything I know, I gotta teach them because he's the future, you know? He's the one that's gonna be buying and selling cars. He's gonna have his own dealership. And he already said that he is going to sell 30 Lamborghinis and 9 McLarens a month.
No, 20 McLaren.
20 McLarens?
Yeah, that's what I said.
Okay, 20 McLarens. Hey, that's even better. That's even better, you know? So, yeah, gotta teach your kids how to be self-sufficient, you know? Gotta teach them how to be bosses in this world, baby, because nobody else gonna teach them. They only trying to teach your kids how to be employees, you know what I'm saying? Even when they go to college, trying to teach you how to be a great employee, you know? So, whatever, it is what it is. Let's get this money, son.
2 hours later.
If you ever want to become an entrepreneur, you got to start small like this, okay? Just like we're building a snowman, you start small, and the more you go, the bigger you'll become, okay? You see, now your company is growing. Your company is growing bigger and bigger and bigger. The more you keep pushing, the bigger your company becomes. Now go this way too. The more you keep pushing, the bigger you'll become.
You push it now.
You want me to help you push it? Sometimes you might need a little help. I'll help you.
Okay.
That's the dads of 4, right?
Yep.
You gotta keep on pushing, baby. Keep on pushing. All right, go ahead.
Okay, we're putting the finishing touch.
Finishing
No,
touches
not the
on it.
Finishing touches.
Okay.
This looks
And
good.
what is that?
This looks
What is
so
that,
good.
dude? Here, use this as a nose. How about
You
this?
stick.
Try this right here. That looks better than that. It looks more like a carrot than that little thin stick you had. Just push it in there, actually. Now your company is fully successful.
You think this could be my buddy?
Absolutely. If he comes to life,
Guys,
he'll be your buddy, man.
I'm gonna name this guy George.
You can name him whatever you want to name him. It's your
Actually, no,
company.
I'm gonna name him Snow.
It's your snowman. Snow George?
Snow George.
Snow George?
And his last name is gonna be Mars. Like mine,
Snow George
just
Mars.
Like my nickname.
Exactly. Okay. What's going on, Snow George Mars?
What's up?
Snow George Mars.
Yo, that looks like a human.
You think so?
Does that look like a human to you, Dad?
Yeah, he looks like a OG. A person what? What? Oh, Kamari. What is an entrepreneur?
A person that works for themselves, and they're either rich or wealthy, and they love other people like God willing, and everyone loves them back.
There you go. And what is a boss?
And a boss is a person who works for themselves.
There you go. And you heard it, guys.